In homepage dot file, first we have to import our material package, right? Material package, then we have a stateful, that is our home page. Right. Home page in main dot file, first we have to import this. What? Import this file in home page. We have a scaffold. In that app bar, in app bar, we have a title. In title, we have a text widget. The music player. Then our body. In body, we have a container, child, raised button. In the raised button, we have a child. That is our text. Play music. In the raised button, we have a property that is our on pressed. In on press, we have to play our sound file. Okay, so open that. We have already added. Oh, we have already added this package in our pubspec.yml file, right? Here, and we have already added our asset file. In our asset file, we have a song.mp3 file. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
so in home page, now you can play this sound on pressed method. In on pressed method, first we can in this readme.md file, we have to create a object of this class, right? Like simply call that instructor of that audio player class. So first here we have create object of that this class audio player class, right? This is basically a
Uh,
object. Yes or no?
yeah, sure.
Right. So after that, for playing that our asset file, you can simply call player dot play. I have to find. Okay, first we have to create object of that class, then you can play local file audio player dot play. Okay, local file means your this file is from your file explorer, right? Or you can also play file from URL, right? Audio player dot play. Or you can also play from asset folder, right? So if I click on this button, then player audio player, basically audio player dot play, and in this we have to simply pass our asset folder, means our song name, the songs dot mp3 with extension song dot mp3. Clear? Audio player dot
Yes,
play.
sure, sure.
Or if you want to play from URL, simply audio player dot play. But if you want to play from local asset, you can see this. So first you have to use audio class. First you have to use audio classic class. So simple first here we have a audio कैसे, then player is equal to new audio. Clear? In order to play our local asset file, so you have to create object of audio cache class. Clear? And in order to play a file from URL, you have to create a object of the audio player class. Clear? Divya, yes or no?
Yes, Roshan. Yes,
In
Roshan.
order to
Yes,
play
yes.
from remote file, just play with audio player class. In order to play with local asset file, so you have to use audio cache class. Clear? And here we have to define player dot play. Simple. Clear?
Yes, Roshan.
So now with the help of audio player package, you can create a music player. You can play music from local asset file. You can play music from your file explorer. And you can also play music from URL. So now you can create a Spotify. Yes or no?
Yes.
Simply with the help of this audio player class. Sanawaj, can you create now a Spotify? Sanawaj,
Roshan, he
Harish,
is not able to reply.
yeah. Harish,
Yeah, Roshan.
with the help of this audio player class, you can play music from asset folder, or you can play music from URL or from your file, right?
Yes, Roshan.
So your assignment is this simple, not a big task to play sounds in Flutter because of this package, right?
Yeah, Roshan.
So explore this package, audio player package, and create a music player.
Roshan, now we created this app, right? Will you able to play the song now?
Yeah,
Means like, is it audible for you?
yeah, I can, but it take time to launch. Okay,
Yes, Roshan, that is the issue.
okay. So create a music player. Do one thing. Mm, your assignment is this. Simply create a list style. Okay, we have a list style. You can create a list style. We have already discussed about list style widget, right? Add a circle avatar, then file name. Okay, and here we can create a play button. You can create this type of widget. Yes or no? With the help of list style.
Yes, Roshan.
Did you remember?
Yes, Roshan.
So you have a leading, we have title, then we have trailing, right? So in the position of leading, create a circle avatar. Okay. In the place of title, place of file name, and on the place of trailing, create a icon, that is a play icon. Can you design like this? And if I click on play icon, simply play that music. So you have a 10 list style. Okay. Download 10 file from internet, asset file, music file, and create a music player. You can or not? Dibya.
Try,
Yes,
Roshan. We'll
Roshan,
try.
we can.
Okay.
We'll
Please
try.
create this music player. Display
Okay.
10 list style in column. Okay. And in list style, we have a leading, trailing, and title. So if user click on that play button, simply play that music, okay, and explore more this audio player class, audio player package, okay.
Okay.
So you have a two assignment today. First one is this music player app,
Camera.
and second one is our integrate. First create this cameras app and integrate this camera module in your navigation bar example, navigation drawer app.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes, Roshan.
Okay. On the place of circle avatar, if user click on that button, simply open that gallery and set that, pick a image and set that image on the place of that circle avatar. Okay. So you
Okay.
have a three assignments. First is navigation drawer, update that application. Second is create camera app, okay, and third is create a music player,
Okay.
okay. Please complete all the assignments,
Sure, Roshan.
and from tomorrow we will move on database part,
Okay.
okay. I will share all the screenshot
Okay,
and all,
Roshan.
okay.
Okay, Roshan.
Okay, do you have any question, Divya, Harish?
No,
Divya,
Roshan. Currently.
Yes, Roshan.
do you have any question or
No,
any?
Roshan.
Okay, so please
Okay.
finish all the assignments,
Sure.
okay. From tomorrow we will move on
Okay,
database part.
Roshan.
So please finish all the static app assignments. Okay.
Okay, Roshan.
Okay. I will share
Okay.
all the screenshots. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Roshan.